هبت نفحات أنسية فشد البلبل ألف تحية وبدا البدر الليلة شوقا يلقي الأنوار الدهرية.
लिहाजा बिला किसी ताक़ीर मोहम्मद अरीज हुसैन बिन अरशद हुसैन को दावत देता हूँ कि वो तशरीफ लाए और अंग्रेजी जबान में सूरह हज्र की आखिरी आयत का खुलासा हम सब के सामने पेश करें।
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Honorable President, guests, respected teachers, and my dear brothers and sisters. In this blessed and graceful assembly, I humbly stand for you to present the translation of the concluding verses of a chapter of the Holy Quran, known as Surah Al-Asr. I hope you will listen attentively. He is Allah, beside whom there is no God, the knower of the unseen and the seen. He is all merciful, very merciful. He is Allah, beside whom there is no God, the sovereign, the supreme in holiness, the safe from all defects, the giver of the peace, the guardian, the almighty, the all-repairer, the sublime, pure is Allah, from what they associate with Him. He is Allah, the creator, the inventor, the shaper. His are the most beautiful names. His purity is spoken by that is in the heavens and the earth. And He is the Almighty, the All-Wise. Jazakallahu khairan.